Another flat earth argument debunked with one photo. Crepuscular rays, sunbeams, fingers of geode, whatever you call them. Those who think the earth is flat seem to think crepuscular rays show the sun is close and local, the light converging to a point of origin, the sun. Just like in this photo, they'll see this and think it shows that the sun is right here in the clouds. But I managed to get this photo, which completely destroys that particular flat earth argument. And the reason is, because from this photo, a flat earther would think the sun is over here, right? But it's not. The sun is behind me. I'm actually looking towards the east here. So, what are the rays converging towards? They're not. They're parallel, and it's just simple perspective making them look angled, just like railway tracks or a road. This is close, this is far away, just like this is close and this is far away. This footage here from YouTuber PolsterX I think demonstrates the illusion of angled sun rays perfectly. First, the camera is side on and we can see the rays are parallel. And then if we change the camera's perspective, it becomes really clear how parallel sun rays can look like they're converging towards a point when viewed from an angled perspective. This is close and this is far away. When you get a chance, check out PolsterX's channel. He's got some really cool videos. I've put the link in the description. So, on the evening I got this photo, I got a few other nice photos which I'll show you now. Around 7 PM I had to go to the store. I got this photo while I was reversing out of my driveway. This is just looking west just as the sun is setting. I was happy just getting this photo. The wall of storm clouds, the single cloud lit by the sun, some faint crepuscular rays. This was an awesome sight right here. But as I was driving to the store, driving east, I saw this beam of light here. As I'm looking east at sunset, it took me a few seconds to actually realize what this was. I wasn't sure at first. And then, oh wow, it's an anti-crepuscular ray. And you can make out a few more here angling towards the horizon. I seriously did not know what the hell this was at first. Then I looked up and wow, they're almost parallel and they must be at a relatively high altitude to be shining all the way across the sky like that. And then I remembered one of my favourite spots I like to take photos, which is down the hill and to the left. So I quickly drove there to check it out, and that's when I saw this. It was an awesome sight. I'm pretty sure I've never seen sun rays like this before. I snapped a few photos and then it faded away fairly quickly. Now, I've modelled this whole sequence using 3D software. I've made the scene as large as I could with the crepuscular rays pretty high up from the camera. The rays stay parallel from the sun throughout the whole scene. This is a few different perspectives here from the scene, basically just to show you that I've kept the rays parallel and made the scene as large as I could. Okay, so here we are looking west with the crepuscular rays appearing to spread out outward from the sun. Here we go from looking west to directly looking up where we can see they're parallel to looking out to the east. I think this shows fairly well that what we see in reality matches the parallel crepuscular rays of the globe Earth model. Now, I get that light does all kinds of crazy things and will often appear to be spreading out from a point of origin, but it's usually because our view is from inside the beams of light. So, the bottom line is, if you're a flat earther and you still think that a scene like this is proof of the sun being close and local after I've shown you this, then you really are an idiot. You probably need some kind of psychiatric evaluation or something. I think it's for the best, just to be safe. One last little bit of bonus footage. I'm zoomed in here at full optical zoom about 40 times, so pretty far. We can make out a faint crepuscular ray angled down to the right there. The sun is setting to the left, so it looks like we're looking at the ray side on. And if we pan across to the right, which actually looks like a fair amount of distance, ignore that spider web, but we can see another faint crepuscular ray pretty much at the same angle. So the fact that both of these rays are separated by a large distance and are still at the same angle is just more actual proof that the sun is definitely not close and local. It really does look like the sun is millions of miles away. Thanks for watching. It's nice been getting back to doing some observations. I'm currently working on another Himawari observation in a way that hasn't been done before, which should be pretty cool. So thanks for stopping by and keep it real.